Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, man?
Good day, man. How about
Sir,
yourself?
pretty good, man. I like this. Looks good. Simple and clean.
Exactly. I wanted something that didn't get beat up by all this Lowe's.
Yes, sir. Woo! You want to give me a rundown real quick?
4 HCCA 15s, regular, not SPLs.
Okay.
2 HCCA 5000.1Ds, 150 amp hour of lithium C-Max, 320 amp all, couple runs to the back, and a hell of a 6th order.
Oh, yeah. And you shrunk it to, it was loudest or lowest or what?
That's where I preferred it at right now.
Okay.
I'll play with it a little bit more. I literally just got all this finished like last night. So.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
And it's solid?
Oh yeah, that sunroof killed me.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet, yeah. So you just got it playing, the subs are broken in, or they're still breaking in?
Yeah, no, they're broken.
They're broken?
I've
Okay.
been playing it, but with no loading wall.
Okay. All right. What was your name?
Sean Singleton.
Sean Singleton. All right. Yeah, that's a big 6th order. How'd you fit that in this car?
I almost did.
Almost didn't.
Almost.
Yeah, and a Magnum.
lows too.
That was like 26 hertz up to like mid 40s,
That
or
was 25 and up.
25 and up. Okay. Wow. We're here. I'm gonna let her here. I'll be outside. Play a song for her.
You know what's going on?
I gotta roll one. Which window you want up?
I'll go over there.
I break the bank like an athlete.
Thanks for the demo, man.
Ain't no problem,
That was
man.
awesome.
I love it.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.